Hey, it's Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and I don't even know how to start this video other than saying it's Friday and it's Fold release day. So most of you will probably be shocked that I purchased the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Yeah, start with your comments. I'm probably gonna blow your mind because I don't even like spending $1,000 on a phone, let alone $2,000. So I figure I'd make this video kind of like I made the one for the P40 Pro, where I kind of sit and explain to you some of the reasoning behind my purchase and why I purchased the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Let me start off by saying I didn't pay a full $2,000 for this phone. I managed to get $300 off this phone. Now, you know me, I surfed the web looking for discounts and whatnot. I found a referral discount, and I forget what the other discount I found was, but both of those were $100 a piece. Not that I was okay with paying $1,800 for a phone, but I went back and channeling through different sources. I was on XDA and I found that if you pre-ordered and you went through and acted like you were going to cancel your order, they gave you another $100 off. So there I sat with $300 off and a $50 credit from Samsung, which I got a case, but I can tell you now in this video you won't see that case because I got an email saying that that case was delayed. Now, I'll take the case being delayed over the phone being delayed a million times over. $50 in credits from Samsung, which I used to get a case, which was $60. So I spent $10 on a $60 case, which people are ripping to shreds online, the ones who actually received theirs. Mine is delayed. I have contemplated canceling that portion of my order, but I'd rather have some case rather than no case at all. I have a Spigen case coming. It's a hybrid case, so it's partially clear, partially black, and it does have a front and back versus the case that I ordered directly from Samsung, which is just a back. This is a very expensive phone not to have a case for when it arrives, so it won't be leaving this house. Also, the Spigen case will not be here until October 15th or 16th. So it is back ordered now to the 30th if you do not have a case. I went into this trying to do the responsible thing and having a case. The one from Samsung, although delayed, is going to be expedited. It's not going to be express mailed like the phone was, but 2 days versus overnight is fine. Like I said, I won't be taking the phone out of this house. I have no plans to go anywhere this weekend. I will be streaming with you guys. And I did sell the Vivo Nex 3 for $500. So now I'm sitting at, okay, $800 towards this device. I just finished uploading the LG Velvet versus LG V60 video, and I plan to sell the V60. Maybe 5, maybe 6, whatever I can get for it. And I mean, that puts me a little more discounted. So at the end of the day, out of pocket, I'm not $2,000 out. I actually am excited about the innovation of folding phones. I really did love my Z Flip from Samsung. I just felt like I knew the price was gonna drop really fast, and it did. I did not keep it long. I took maybe $100 or $2 loss on that phone, but I really liked it, and I wanted to purchase another one after the price drop. But when I saw the Z Fold come, I started doing research on it. Maybe not as publicly, and maybe I didn't discuss it with a bunch of you, but I did my homework on it. Also, being the mermaid I usually go to the beach anywhere between 5 to 7 times a year. So I am not super close to the beach. I'm not super far away. It's maybe 3 hours. But I have to have somewhere to stay. I don't have a condo at the beach, regardless of what a lot of people think. So I rent places at the beach. For me, not taking any travels this summer and sitting at home, I have saved an abundance of money. I've used the majority of that money to pay off credit cards and any kind of other miscellaneous bills I had. But you should treat yourself too. So, that being said, why not get the Z Fold? Look, I'm not sitting here trying to rationalize anything to anybody. It made perfectly good sense to me, although I am very much a mermaid and I do miss the beach. I haven't been this excited about a device in a long time. There are a couple of you who picked up on how much research I did on this device to say I wasn't getting it. I made reference to adding myself to pre-orders, although I was not going to pre-order the phone. And I really don't do a lot of research into phones that I have no interest in. I don't know when they're shipping. I don't know the discounts on them. So if you really pay attention to how I move, you would have known I pre-ordered this phone. I battled with myself on whether I wanted to do an unboxing because everybody named Mama doing an unboxing today. So I'd rather just kind of give you my perspective on things, show you my discounts and that kind of, and give you an idea of why I made the purchase I made versus just, here's the Z Fold. Here's me unboxing the Z Fold. Have a nice day. But yeah, I mean, there's tons of you guys who like similar phones that I like. I sit here with my unboxing knife, waiting for FedEx to arrive. Yes, my phone isn't even here yet, but I figured I'd record this portion of the video because I can. I absolutely am excited. I absolutely know why I purchased the phone, and I absolutely know what I paid for. That being said, the $100 cancellation refund, that's supposed to come after they actually charge me for the phone, which they haven't done yet. I find that very shocking that when you first pre-order, they do make a charge to your account, so that money was being held, but it turned around and got put back in my account, which it still sits to this day. I'm sure they will take their money, but I just find it odd that they've shipped the phone and haven't taken their money back. Wouldn't hurt my feelings if they don't charge me, but I'm sure they will. That being said, there should be a charge to my account to the tune of like $1,800 something, and then I'll get $100. I did purchase the Mystic Bronze because I think that's a very attractive color. A lot of people feel like it's very girlish. I like the fact that it's matte. They will not do the black and matte for some odd reason. I just have carried black phones for so long, so I really wanted to get away from a black device. If it had came in some other colors, I might have considered. I didn't do custom hinge. I didn't want to wait forever for this device and have time to change my mind. I don't really think I would have changed my mind, although I did see a lot of orders shipping before mine did. I said, how can you be upset about people getting their phones early when the release date isn't until Friday? I know mine's is on the truck right now and it should be delivered any minute. I'm not losing my mind over it. When I hear the truck pull up, I'll go out and get the box and we'll come in and we'll unbox and I'll throw a video together. I have more concerns about the cameras than I do anything else. That's probably my only major concern. I'm not concerned about how fragile the phone might be. After having the Z Flip and knowing how that worked, and this is the same kind of hinge, I'm excited because I said the only problem with the Z Flip is it wasn't wide enough. So I was like, this is perfect. I mean, it won't fold that way. It'll come out the other way, but I'll have all of the landscape I need to do what I want to do on the phone. And my Androids I usually use for like business and watching videos and social media for, you know, other things I do work-wise. So this is gonna be perfect. This is gonna be my workhorse, and yes, I'm going to carry it every day. For those saying they're not gonna carry this phone every day, if I'm spending what I'm spending on this phone, I should be able to carry it every day and twice on Sunday. But good morning. Yes, I got up early in the morning to finish first impressions because I just got everything set up last night. So I really didn't want to give first impressions without having my phone set up the way I like it. But man, video wallpaper is just awesome. See if we can get this to unlock. I did turn the screen down some. Laying in bed, it was just pretty bright. I really like this phone. It is smudgealistic though. I don't know. Yeah, you can see that smudge tap back. It's just That Mystic Bronze, it's pretty, and I can see what people say is that it has, what people think it has hints of pink, because I mean it does, depending on the lighting. Like here, it looks a little lavender. I've taken pictures where it gives this lavender pinkish kind of look, but it's just a gorgeous phone. I'm impressed. It's been a while since I've been excited about a phone. I am enjoying the experience so far. I think with the dual screens, the only thing I was missing was having something out here. I do engage the phone out here. I like that the edge lighting is here because I had that on my LGs. I do find myself screwing up the fingerprint unlock a lot. Like it'll say, hey, we saw you attempted to unlock the phone 4 times. And I'm like, no, I didn't attempt to unlock the phone 4 times, but okay. Change my icons, change my settings in developer options. It's one of my icons have the teardrop look. I do have an unboxing to do for a mount that I bought for this for my car. My car is going to be mount-tastic. But I'm excited to get this video thrown together for y'all. I just wanted to do an unboxing and first impressions. I think the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is Yoda approved. And I can't wait to give you updates on this device. I'm really excited about adding it to my lineup. For me right now, I think it's a keeper. I know some people are wishy-washy back and forth. I carry 2 devices, so I don't really have a problem with this one being my Android. It's kind of nice to have a feel for a phone that I think I'll be able to keep for a while. Because, man, I just went through some phones this year. I'm going to wrap this up. I'd like to thank everybody for coming by, watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Flame me all you would like in the comments. I don't care because I got the phone I wanted. Now, how long I keep it, I can't really gauge. But yes, this is phone number 9. I did say last year that I was going to try to hit 5. So I'm going to set my standards a little bit higher next year and just say, now that I'm doing YouTube, my goal is to have 7 phones in 2021. No more than 7. We'll see how that works out. We'll see how things go at Huawei. That would probably deter me from getting so many Androids. Although how many Huawei's did I have this year? Well, who knows? That's a whole nother story for a whole nother time and a whole nother video. Like I said, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Comment, like, and if you had fun, subscribe. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Holla!